Hello friends, welcome to Neil's Coaching. Today in this video, some examples on ratio and proportion will be done. In the previous video, the basic concept of ratio and proportion has been given. Before starting the video, I want to request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as I upload any video. Now let's come to the first example. If A is to B equal to 5 is to 9 and B is to C equal to 4 is to 7, then find the value of A is to B is to C. A is to B equal to 5 is to 9. B is to C equal to 4 is to 7. Here we can see that the value of B in first case is 9 and the value of B in the second case is 4. So we have to take the LCM of 4 and 9 to make the value of B equal in both cases. We can write that A by B equal to 5 by 9 and B by C equal to 4 by 7. If we take the LCM of 4 and 9, we can get 36. So we can do that 5 into 4 by 9 into 4, 20 by 36, 4 into 9, 36 by 63. So the value of A is to B is to C equal to A is to B is to C equal to 20 is to 36 is to 63. Next question, fourth proportion to 4, 9 and 12. Fourth proportion we can write that 4 is to 9 double is to 12 is to x. This can be written as 4 by 9 equal to 12 by x. So x equal to 9 into 12 by 4. So fourth proportion of 4, 9, 12 equal to 27. Next question. Third proportion to 16 and 36. 16 is to 36 double is to 36 is to x. We have to find the value of x. We can write that 16 by 36 equal to 36 by x. So x equal to 36 into 36 by 16. So the third proportion of 1636 equal to 81. Next question. Mean proportion between 0.08 and 0.18. We have known that if A and B are two numbers, so the mean proportion between A and B equal to root over of AB. So if the two numbers are 0.08 and 0.18, then the mean proportion between these two numbers root over of 0.08 into 0.18 equal to 0.12. Next question. If x is to y equal to 3 is to 4, then we have to find the value of 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y. Here we can take the value of x equal to 3a and y equal to 4a. And now we have to find the value of 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y. We have to just put the value of x and y in this place. So what we will get? 4x plus 5y by 5x minus 2y. Putting the value, we will get 4 into 3a plus 5 into 4a by 5 into 3a minus 2 into 4a. Next question. A is to B equal to 3 is to 4. B is to C equal to 8 is to 9. We have to find the value of A is to C. What is the value of A is to C? Here we can see that the value of B equal to 4. We have to make it 8. So we can multiply 2 with both sides. That is 3 into 2 is to 4 into 2. That is 6 is to 8. So the value of A is to B equal to 6 is to 8 and B is to C equal to 8 is to 9. A is to B is to C equal to 6 is to 8 is to 9. Then the value of A is to C equal to 6 is to 9. That is 2 is to 3. That is the answer. Next question. A is to B is to C equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Then we have to find the value of a by b is to b by c is to c by a. Let us take the value of a equal to 2x, b equal to 3x and c equal to 4x. Now we have to do a by b equal to 2x by 3x, that is 2 by 3, b by c equal to similarly 3 by 4 and c by a equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. Then what is the value of a by b is to b by c is to c by a? We have to just put those values, that is 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4 is to 2, that is equal to 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 24 by 12 equal to 8 is to 9 is to 24. So a by b is to b by c is to c by a equal to 8 is to 9 is to 24. Next question, a is to b equal to 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8, that is 1 by 2 by 3 by 8 equal to 8 by 6, 4 by 3. So a is to b equal to 4 is to 3. B is to c equal to 1 by 3 is to 5 by 9 and c is to a and c is to d equal to 5 by 6 is to 3 by 4. So a is to b equal to 4 is to 3, b is to c equal to 3 is to 5, c is to d equal to 10 is to 9. We have to calculate the value of a is to b is to c is to d. Here c is 10, here is c is 5. To make it 10, we can multiply 2 with both the number, that is 6 is to 10. Similarly, a is to b equal to 8 is to 6. So the value of a equal to 8, b equal to 6, c equal to 10, d equal to 9. So the value of a is to b is to c is to d equal to 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. That is the answer. Next question. A by 3 equal to b by 4 equal to c by 5. Let us consider those are equal to k. So the value of a equal to 3k, b equal to 4k, c equal to 5k. Then a is to b is to c equal to 3k is to 4k is to 5k equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. That is the answer. Next question, we can write that 2 square to the power 3.5. That is equal to 2 square by 1 equal to 4 by 1. So this answer will be 4 is to 1. 15% of x equal to 20% of y. Then the value of x is to y. So 15% of x, that means 15 by 100 into x. 20% of y, that means 20 by 100 into y. So we can get 3x equal to 4y. So the value of x is to y equal to 4 is to 3. Next question. Divide rupees 672 in the ratio of 5 is to 3. So total rupees is 672. You have to divide it in the ratio of 5 is to 3. So total part is 8 and one part is 5 by 8 and another part is 3 by 8. So one part is 5 by 8 into 672 and another part is 3 by 8 into 672. Very basic questions. Rupees 420 and rupees 252. 420 plus 252 equal to 672. A bag contains 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins in the ratio of 5:9:4 amounting to rupees 206. Find the number of coins of each type. So let us consider the number of 50 paise coin equal to 5x, 25 paise coin equal to 9x and 10 paise coins equal to 4x. So you can write that 50 into 5x plus 25 into 9x plus 10 into 4x equal to so the value of x is 40. So the number of 50 paise coin is 5 into 40, 25 paise, 9 into 40 and 10 paise. This is the answer. The last question for today. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio of 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, then the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Initially, the ratio of alcohol and water was 4:3. After adding 5 liters of water, the ratio becomes 4:5. So here we can see that the quantity of alcohol is same, but the quantity of water has increased. How much the quantity of water increased? That is 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So here 2 is equal to 5 liter. That is here water is increasing here by 2. That is equal to 5 liter. That is 2 is equal to 5 liter. Then 4 equal to 10. That is the quantity of alcohol in the mixture is 10 liter. That is the answer. So that's for today. So if you like this video, please share it and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.